stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his
If you want
bitch.
him to see that, but I think this is just perfect.
Yeah, we're about to do makeup right now. All right, so for my primer today, I'm gonna use my Origins foam primer. It's literally foam. Okay, so for my foundation, I actually don't have any of this left. This is my NARS in the color Tahoe. We're gonna dig it out. I'm actually just taking it and like rubbing it into my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with my little beauty blender sponge. If you watched my last video of my husband doing my makeup, he mixed Melanie Mills with my foundation and I actually liked it. So I'm gonna just dab. I'm gonna just dab a bit on. Okay, so we're gonna put it here. And you notice I didn't bring it all the way over here. I'm probably gonna do that after this. Let me know if you guys wanna see a detailed, updated eyebrow routine. Oh gosh, it's a lot on here. I'm gonna just go in with a tad because a lot of this stuff goes a long way. I actually like this Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the color tan. Perfect, you know, it's not too light. What I've been using to set my face, I've been using Rihanna Universal Setting Powder. We're going to dust it off our under eyes. And this Universal Setting Powder, I'm not sponsored. Fenty Beauty, please sponsor. But yeah, so for our face, for today's bronzer, Marc Jacobs is about. He's got a darker shade right here. You guys know, if you guys watch any of my videos, that I am a firm believer of the Black Radiance. I'm a firm believer in this product. My other one, my Cover FX, not my Cover FX, but my Black Radiance is more warmer tone, you know? This reminds me of more cooler tone. So I'm still gonna go on top with my, when I haven't not used it. Sorry if we got it on you, but. All right, let's put on our lips first.